What you're about to see isn't a full renovation. No walls were moved, not everything was replaced, and not even the flooring had to change. But by making smart design choices and using the space more wisely, this home feels completely different. Today, we'll show you how these three areas were transformed into modern contemporary spaces, giving each one a clear purpose that better fits everyday life. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. This space had become a storage area with workout equipment and furniture placed everywhere. It worked, but it didn't feel like a comfortable place to relax. The goal was to turn it into an entertainment area where you can relax by keeping the existing pieces that still worked and matched the new design. Let's start with the base finishes. You can keep the existing wood look flooring since it's still in good condition. That saves you money while giving your room a warm, modern, contemporary feel. Your walls get a fresh coat of warm textured paint, while recessed pin lights brighten the room from corner to corner. To stay comfortable every day, you can also have a ceiling fan with a built-in light. It keeps the air moving while adding another source of light. You'll notice that the existing fluted wall panels was reused. They already look great, so there's no need to replace them. To extend the partition without closing off the room, you can add vertical wood slats. They separate the space while still letting light and air flow through. For seating, you can have an L-shaped sofa with throw pillows, giving you a comfortable place to relax after a long day. Right in front of it, you can add a glass coffee table where you can keep your drinks, snacks, or anything else within easy reach. A soft ottoman gives you another seat when guests come over or a comfortable place to put your feet up. Underneath, you can place a large area rug that defines the seating area while making it softer and warmer under your feet. Then, you can move the existing metal display cabinet from the gym area to the wall beside the sofa. This gives you extra storage without spending money on a new one. To finish the wall, you can hang a large framed artwork with matching wall lights on both sides, making the room feel warmer at night. An indoor plant beside the cabinet brings in a little greenery and softens all the wood finishes. You can also keep the existing layered curtains since they're still in great condition. They give you privacy and help control the sunlight. On the TV wall, you'll have a floating TV console that keeps your media devices organized while making the floor easier to clean. Above it, overhead cabinets with an open display niche give you extra storage and display space, so everything has its place. Your wall-mounted TV becomes the center of the entertainment area, while another indoor plant adds a little more greenery to balance the whole setup. Finally, hidden LED strip lighting beneath the cabinets and TV console gives you a warm glow that makes the room feel even more relaxing at night. By keeping the existing pieces and upgrading only what was needed, this entertainment area became the perfect place for your family time with an estimated total cost of $3,500 to $6,000. This corner was used for pet items and extra things, so it didn't have a clear purpose yet. Since those pet items no longer need this space, you can turn it into a simple study nook where you can work, study, or even relax. Since the existing window blind is still in good condition, you can keep it. It helps control the sunlight while reducing glare on your screen. Below the window, you can place a simple study desk to give yourself a dedicated space for working or studying. Pair it with a comfortable study chair so you can work or study for longer without feeling uncomfortable. On top of the desk, a table lamp gives you extra light whenever you need it. To make the wall more useful, you can install 2 floating shelves along with another shelf below the windowsill for extra space for decorations and everyday items without taking up any floor space. For a warmer feel at night, You can add LED strip lights underneath the shelves to create a soft glow around your workspace. One thing you probably wouldn't expect to see in a study nook is a massage chair. It gives you a comfortable place to relax whenever you need a break from work or studying. To complete the area, you can replace the existing ceiling light with a ceiling fan that has a built-in LED light. That keeps the space cooler while giving you plenty of light throughout the day. With these simple changes, an unused corner turned into a practical study nook where you can work comfortably and relax whenever you need a break with an estimated total cost of $1,200 to $2,100. This room was mostly used for storage. Boxes and other things filled the space, so it wasn't being used to its full potential. The goal was to turn it into a clean gym area where you can exercise comfortably without leaving the house. To give the room a stronger look, you can cover the main wall with wood wall panels. Between the panels, concealed LED strip lights add soft vertical lighting that gives the room a more modern feel. To define the workout area, you can place a large carpet on the floor. It provides a softer surface under your feet and makes the room feel warmer. Instead of buying a new cabinet, you can keep the remaining metal storage cabinet for your gym accessories. On the opposite wall, full-height mirrors make the room feel bigger by reflecting more light, while also letting you check your posture during your workouts. The existing treadmill can stay against the mirrored wall, giving you a dedicated space for your exercise. To add more workout options without taking up much space, you can install a wall-mounted pull-up bar. Right beside it, wall-mounted dumbbell racks, an adjustable workout bench, and a dumbbell set give you everything you need for strength training. With these simple changes, a room that was once used for storage transformed into a well-arranged and ready for any workout gym area, with an estimated total cost of $1,600 to $2,700. Every space in your home should have a purpose. Whether it's a place to relax, work, or exercise, thoughtful planning can completely change how you use your home. We hope this transformation inspires you to make the most of the space you already have and create a home that works better for your everyday life. If you enjoyed this transformation, let us know which area was your favorite in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.